Hello guys, welcome to the newest notification from NIELIT, that is National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. Previously, they had called for Scientist B and Scientific Assistant A. That time the last date was 31st December 2020. But lately, they have again reopened the vacancies for Scientist B 18 posts and Scientific Assistant A 63 posts. The last date for applying is 9th July 2021 before 5:30 p.m. So the eligible branches are CS, IT and electronics. So let me take you through the detailed notification for Scientist B. The qualifications applicable can be MSc in electronics, MCA, and this one BTech or MTech in electronics, electronics and communication, computer science, computer and networking security, computer application, software system, information technology management, industrial electronics, instrumentation, electronics and instrumentation, power electronics. So the number of vacancies for scientist B is 10. This is the split up for CS, IT and electronics. This was 10 earlier, but newly they have 18 vacancies. So another post is scientific assistant A. Earlier it was 39 vacancies. Now it is 63 vacancies. So what are the eligibility criteria? MSc in electronics, applied electronics, physics, computer science and IT. MS in any of the below: electronics, electronics and communications, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, computer and networking, software system, information technology, computer management, geographical information, electrical design, informatics, computational linguistics, along with MCA or BE or BTech in below branches: electronics, E&C, ENT, computer science, computer and networking security, software system, information technology, geographic information system, electrical design, informatics, computer management and computational linguistics. Along with this, for scientist B, even electronics and telecommunication branch is eligible to apply. So here there is no experience required as of now while applying. This is the age limit: SC, ST, OBC, anyone can apply for this job. So the place of posting will be in India. In order to apply, you'll have to apply online. I'll share the link in the description box, and you have to apply before 9/7/2021. So once you apply, you can take the printout of your application form and you'll have to pay an application fees of rupees 400 for SC, ST, PWD and women candidates per application. In the sense, for if you apply only for scientist B, you must pay 400. If you apply for both scientist B and scientific assistant A, you'll have to pay 800. Same is the case for general and all other candidates. Per application it will be rupees 800. It will be an written examination. In the first round, the duration of exam will be 3 hours with 120 questions, consisting 65% questions from technical area and 35% questions from generic area. There will be 0.25 negative marking for each question, each wrong answer. The cutoff will be 50% for general and EWS, 40% for OBC and 30% for SC, ST, PWD candidates. The syllabus you can check it from this website. I'll provide the link in description as well. These are the examination centers and the selection process will be based on the combined performance of written exam and interview. For scientific assistant A, it will be only on the basis of written exam. All of this is subject to verification, and while applying you'll have to upload your photograph on a white paper along with your signature. Don't forget this. When you upload your photo, it should have your photo in this part and your signature in this part. And also you'll have to upload your signature separately, and the documents required is date of birth certificate like high school or SSC certificate, caste certificate if applicable, EWS if applicable, and degree of essential qualification along with the marks cards. Don't forget to make this PDF and apply correctly, and the photo ID card. You can use your Aadhaar card. In case you have any queries, you can write to the mentioned email ID here. I hope this was sufficient. So all the best. Go ahead and apply for this job right away. Thank you.